How to view your credit score in the Chase app. What's up everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how to find your credit score on the app. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply open up your Chase application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find different options on your home screen, and at the bottom you have your rewards, and below that you have your spending summary and then credit journey. So you can just go ahead and tap on the credit journey option. After scrolling down, check your credit score, and here you'll see all of the options for your credit score, how good you're doing and how old your account is, factors that impact your score as well. And if you want to see your credit score history, you can see it at the top right corner. Just tap on that and you should be able to see your history for your credit score. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.